What is an anterior leaflet repair? Well, I'm going to cover that in today's video, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Hey, this is Lance McGowan, the Tropical Smoothie Guy, and today we're going to talk about the anterior leaflet repair, and this is another type of heart valve repair, and so we're going to cover that in the next section.
Hey, this is Lance McGowan, the Tropical Smoothie Guy, and today we're going to talk about another type of valve repair. And though valve replacement surgery is very common, your doctors will always prefer to repair your natural valve before replacing it. And when the outflow valves, aortic and pulmonary, are not functioning properly, a balloon catheter can sometimes be used to restore more normal function, and this is called valvuloplasty. Just like angioplasty is used to open coronary arteries, repair of the tricuspid and mitral valves usually requires open heart surgery to repair a damaged valve leaflet or a weakened valve annulus. And this module is just going to present some of the common procedures. And so this procedure is called the anterior leaflet repair. You can see these are aspects of the part of the heart here. You got the mitral valve, the chordae tendineae valve cords, which are really kind of like strings almost in the heart, which is kind of cool. You have the papillary muscle here. And the problem is the ruptured valve cords can cause mitral regurgitation, and that's where basically the cords aren't allowing the proper inflow and then outflow of the blood in the heart. There is some blood that is kind of being leaked, so to speak, so it's affecting the heart's ability to function properly. So when we hit next here, we're going to see kind of how the repair happens. And so an annuloplasty ring is added to strengthen the valve annulus, but a portion of the posterior leaflet is used to repair the anterior or front leaflet. So you can see a little section is taken out here, and then another piece is kind of sewed in to kind of repair these cords and kind of strengthen their ability to basically help the heart regulate that blood flow.
This is an interesting procedure where basically, when one of these strings, in your heart area are not working properly and become damaged, this is basically kind of doing repair, and the leaflet is repaired, and then a ring is usually put in place so it can reinforce all that, and the heart pumps it all to where it needs to properly. So that is really awesome technology, and it's great that we can have that for our heart when it's in need. The one thing I always think about is how is these particular things being damaged on a cellular level? What's causing that inflammation? Trying to get to the root cause, trying to understand that, and so that would be the first step into thinking about how to go about preventing the repair necessities. But if somebody's already in that situation, then I would think, okay, once you get that repair surgery, then how do you prevent something like that from happening again, which you would still need to understand the root cause. So it's always going to be understanding the root cause and focusing on prevention. And if we could do both of those things, then that is going to set you up for success in the future. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the subscribe button so you can get more video updates, or click one of the links in the description box below so you can continue to get to learn on.